We are making carnivore chicken nuggets, as carnivore as can be, with some Parmesan cheese and a little bit of seasonings. But here we go. So we have 2 eggs in the bowl. These are farm fresh eggs. To that, we are going to add half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And that's not any special grated type. That's just stuff from the store. Alright, I have salt, pepper, and a little bit of paprika in here, just for some flavor. I have about a 1/4 cup of melted butter. I pour that in there. And then I have 14 ounces of shredded chicken breast. I'm just going to pour all of that into there. This is harder than it looks with one hand, guys. One hand, not multiple hands. Alright. Then we're just going to give that a good mix. I'll be right back. I mixed it by hand because it was much easier. The spoon was just not getting it done. So, since we've got so much butter in it, we don't really need to grease the pan. I'm saying that with confidence, hoping that it's true, that these don't stick to it. You're just going to kind of squish some of your meat mixture together, and then set it on the pan over here. Just kind of squish it down in the shape of a cute little nugget without that guy sticking out. I'm going to go ahead and fill the pan. I'm going to do it off camera because I've only got one working hand right now because I'm holding the camera with the other one. Anyways, I'll be back in just a second. Alright, so we have all of them done, and it looks like it made about 20 little nuggets. So I will put the nutrition facts below. You can add whatever seasoning you like. I just like the salt, pepper, and paprika mix. We're going to pop these in the oven. I've got it preheated at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, and they should get nice and crispy on the outside and still nice and tender and very flavorful in the middle. So yeah, we'll be back here in a few minutes. Alright, they are done. Here they are. They're nice and crispy. They're still really hot. They did come off the pan okay. They stuck a little bit, so if you want to grease the pan, you can. But for the most part, they didn't stick too bad. They're still a little bit hot, but I'm going to take a bite. Very good. Very good. It's delicious. So try them.